Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the text color inside of a table in the Keynote app. Here, first we have to open up the app, and here we already have a document. From here we just click on the table, and then we click on text here, and then here we have text color, and we can select whether we want to have a text simple color, a gradient fill, advanced gradient fill, or something else. Let's see if we use a gradient fill, for example, with red and a darker red. And this is how our text is going to look like. Like this. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.